Hello everyone, the name of our project is Smart Energy Meter with Safety Precautions that provides protection against overvoltage, undervoltage and overcurrent. Now let's see the hardware. At first, the supply comes from the mains and two loads are connected in parallel. We have used two light bulbs as loads. They are switched on and off by two bed lamp switch. Then we have a transformer to measure the voltage across the load. This transformer steps down the voltage so that it can be measured by the Arduino. Then we have a current transformer which steps down the current by 1000 times, and we have connected a resistance in parallel across the current transformer to measure the voltage by dividing it with the resistance. Then we have a relay switch which cuts off the power in case of a fault, like an overvoltage or an undervoltage or overcurrent. We have an LCD display here which displays the voltage consumed, the current, the power and the energy consumed by the loads. And the Arduino computes the whole process. That's it.
Okay, now let us see how this actually works. We at first switch on a load, and from here we can see that the voltage it's showing 224 volts. It's drawing 0.47 amps of current and about 98 watts of power. That is, it is a 100-watt bulb, and it is also showing the energy. Now, if we switch both of the bulb, it will draw about 1 ampere current, and that will be an overload for it. So if we switch the second bulb, we can see the power has been cut off and the display is showing overload. Now, if we switch it off and press this button over here, it will again connect the power and check if it's okay, it's still overload or not. Now, for undervoltage and overvoltage, we actually needed an auto transformer, but we don't have that. So we devised a way to simulate undervoltage and overvoltage conditions. So the sensing resistors, we are supposed to keep one resistor for sensing, but we have given a scope of connecting two resistors in series or parallel. If they are connected in parallel, the resistance is low, that is the voltage that the Arduino senses is low. So if we connect this wire here, now the resistors are connected in parallel and it is supposed to show under voltage. Here it's showing under voltage, that is the voltage is less than 210 volts. Now we remove the connection and the power supply is now again working. Again, now if we connect them in series, we are supposed to see over voltage protection. Here it's showing over voltage. If you see in the LCD, it's showing over voltage. Again, with proper sensing and connections, it is supposed to turn the power on again. That's all about our project. Thank you.